Won three state titles at the game. And two of those, one of four players on this West roster, headed to Cal.
Hey buddy, you think you could turn it up?
Took it off the feed from Elias. There, Marinacci makes the extra pass, and Moni Powell.
Hey buddy, I said turn it up.
8.7 on the clock.
No! No!